This one's for Mo777, and he asked the question, do you think that the HX is as saturated as the CX, and is it worth my while moving from a van to a lorry? Many questions here, Mo. Sorry it took so long to get back to you. Firstly, I don't think that the HX is as saturated as the CX. I think they're maybe pretty much on a line, I would say. When I was running a Luton van, you'd look to see what jobs are there, and you'd look to see, you know, when they're coming out, and there'd normally be a couple you really like, and then a few that you could do, and then a couple you really don't want to do but could at a push. It's about the same with a truck. There's normally about the same. I don't really want to go there, I don't really want to go there, but yeah, it's about the same. Is it worth doing it? Well, I think it is worth doing because I did it, but I don't think it's more a question of, to me, it's kind of a common economies of scale. Like, you know, I would rather drive, if I'm going to drive 20 miles, I'd rather do it for 200 quid than do it for like 40. Because it takes the same kind of time. This is 56. You might go a little bit quicker in a van. It's also, I prefer trucks because I like trucks. I'm in the vehicle all day long. And in this one, I've got plenty of space all around me. Look, I can swing a dozen cats. I'm actually sitting waiting to get into a distribution centre right now because I'm early. I've got a bed I can lie on. I've got TV I can watch. It's like having a front room. I'm driving around in a front room. In a van, not so much. Other people might prefer vans because, you know, you don't have to worry about weight restrictions. You don't have to worry about bridges so much. You don't ever go down a country lane and go, I really hope I don't meet a tractor coming the other way. So it's not so much a matter of... and also we will drill into one because he asked me the question about money comparing, and we'll come back to that another day. It's not so much a matter of is it worth it? They're all kind of worth it. It's a matter of what do you want? Do you want to be involved? Because lorries are involved. You've got to have a transport manager. You've got to park it somewhere. You've got a tacho. You've got a tacho master. You've got to adhere to driving hours. In a van, you don't have any of this. You can park on your driveway. You jump in the van. You go to work. When it's finished, you park up driveway, go in again. So there's none of that grief. My mate Lee, he went from a short wheelbase to a small van. He absolutely loves it. Tiny fuel bills, jetting around here, there and everywhere. Things are lining up for the moment. He's well happy. But obviously, you know, his expenses much lower than mine. But then his income's much lower than mine as well. So it really is, to me, it comes down to what do you want? Do you want to be the guy driving around in a lorry? Do you want to be high up? Everybody gives way to you. You can see the road. You've got plenty of space. Or do you want to be the guy in the van? Do you want to be nipping around here, there and everywhere, not worrying about width restrictions, not worrying about spacing, not worrying about, oh no, it's 428 on my tacho. If I don't find out as I lay by now, I'm in trouble. It's all down to you. It's all worth it. It all makes money. I personally find that I make more money in a truck than I do in a van, but it's not just about the money. It's about how you want to run your life. But yeah, would you say, should you do it? I don't know, because I don't know you. I'm pleased I've done it. I know there are people out there that got utterly fed up. You know, drivers that have been driving lorries all their life are fed up with it and go, do you know what? I'm just an easy life now. I don't need the dough anymore. I'm going to become an Uncle Albert. I'm going to get myself a little van. I'm going to do a couple of jobs in the morning. Mortgage is paid. Get out from under the wife's feet. Just sort of do a couple of jobs, meet the boys, have a cup of tea, get a bit of beer money and go home. What do you want? Are they worth it? They're all worth it. You've got to work out what is best for you. I know that kind of doesn't really answer the question, but it's one of those, there's just too many imponderables. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think lorries are better? Do you think vans are better? Have you jumped from one to the other or vice versa? Stick it in the comments and we'll have a proper chat about it on Sunday with other people that have got something to say. But in the meantime, whether it's in a van or a truck or you're playing a banjo or on a train platform with a case in front of you waiting to throw coins or get the Izettle machine out, whatever you do, I hope you're happy and I hope you take care and take money.